Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create a digital signature which you can use for multiple purposes. It's a very simple process, so hope you guys can follow through this. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first up, you will have to sign on a piece of paper and click a picture of that and send it to yourself. You can either email it to yourself or upload it to a drive and download it from there. So I personally used an iPad for this, so I used the image of the signature that I put in. I took a screenshot of it and sent it to myself, so it is a little clearer than a pen and paper, but that works too. Once you have this page or the signed document with you, just search for the snipping tool on your Windows device. Just search in for snipping tool. Once you're here, click on new and select the signature that you want to convert as a digital signature. Let's say I want this signature to be converted. Just select that. And as you can see, I have snipped the signature that I want to convert into digital. Once this is done, just save it to your device. I'll save it into downloads. And once that's done, you can see it is now here in my download section. You can go ahead and search for PNG Transparency Creator. This is a very free and online tool which you can use, and it easily detects the foreground and the background and creates a digital signature with a transparent background. Now that is the most important part of signature. It should be transparent and so that you can use it anywhere. Just click on the empty space, select the screenshot that you just took, and yeah, as you can see, it has already done it automatically. And once this is done, just click on save as, click on download, click on download. It does take 5 or 4 seconds for this to happen. So as you can see, now I have downloaded the converted file. So this is my digital signature. Now it doesn't look that appealing, but once I put it on a document, it will look much better. So let's say I have this document over here, a Word document, and I want to put my digital signature here. Just click on insert, click on pictures, and select the picture that you just took. So there you go, I have inserted my signature that I just converted online. You can resize it and use it however you want. Let's say I want the signature over here. And yeah, that's it. Now my signature is digitized and I can use it for purposes like this. Now Word is not the most signature friendly template out there, but yeah, this is pretty much on how you can do it. You can add the signature anywhere on any document that is online and print that document, so you can flawlessly get a signed document directly from your computer. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.